Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20.8AH large removable battery is an impressive option for anyone looking for a versatile and powerful e-bike. Right off the bat, the 1000W motor delivers remarkable performance, allowing for speeds of over 30 miles per hour. This power is ideal for commuters and recreational riders alike, enabling swift travel without the fatigue that typically accompanies longer rides. One of the standout features of this bike is its large 48V 20.8AH battery. With the ability to detach and charge separately, it offers convenience for those living in apartments or tight spaces. A full charge can provide a range of up to 80 miles, depending on terrain and rider weight, making it perfect for longer journeys or daily commutes without the anxiety of running out of power. The folding design is another significant advantage. It allows for easy storage and transport, fitting conveniently in the trunk of a car or under a desk. Despite being foldable, the bike feels sturdy and well built, with a durable frame that supports various riding conditions. The bike's 20-inch wheels provide stability and agility, enhancing the overall riding experience. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure comfort for riders of different heights, making it a versatile choice for families or shared use. Additionally, the bike is equipped with front and rear lights, ensuring visibility during nighttime rides. However, there are a few minor drawbacks. The assembly may require some mechanical knowledge, and the weight of the bike, while not overly heavy, can be cumbersome for someone folding it. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a reliable, powerful, and portable electric bike. Its combination of speed, range, and practicality makes it a standout in the market, catering to a wide range of riders. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures, this e-bike delivers an exceptional riding experience.